Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can restore folder option settings? Okay, so how we can do that? Open the file explorer. Here you can see the file explorer. Okay, and click on it. Okay, so you can see here there are three dots. Okay, so click on three dots and go to options. Okay, and now you can see the folder option here. Okay, so in the view you can restore the defaults. Okay, so when you click defaults, okay, it will restore all the search setting and all the folder option settings. Okay, so click on restore default and apply, and okay, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.